In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a vibrant, fully functional blog on Webflow. We'll get this process started by first locating the Webflow designer, and within it, you'll notice an icon that resembles two stacked coins. This symbol is the CMS, or the Content Management System tool. Our first move will be to generate a new collection, which will serve as the backbone for our blog posts. To do this, you'll need to click on Create New Collection. A series of choices will present themselves, but the entity we're interested in is the blog posts template. This template is a convenient choice as it includes inbuilt fields for elements such as title, slug, and rich text, which form the main content of our posts. Now that you've opted for the blog posts template, it's time to put on your creative hat and add a touch of personal flair. Webflow allows you to customize the fields as per the nature of your blog. Does your blog involve multiple authors? Add an author field. Do you put importance in visual appeal? Include a field for a featured image. Simply put, you can add, replace, or simply delete fields to create a blog that authentically reflects your content. Once you are satisfied with the customization, click Create Collection. Now turn your attention toward the Pages tab. Here, we will create a new page. Think of it as a new chapter in a book, and name it Blog or whatever aligns with your concept. As the new page springs to life, it's key to add a collection list element to the page. This feature is found in the Add Elements panel. This collection list will serve as the home for each of your blog posts, organizing and displaying them in an easy-to-navigate manner. Now, go to the collection list settings. Here, you'll have to select the newly minted blog post collection as the source. Essentially, this means that every new blog post that you work on will automatically find its way into this collection. Next, divvy up some time to design the template for a single blog post preview. Consider adding elements like an intriguing photo, a compelling heading, and perhaps a punchy paragraph summarizing the meat of your post. Remember to interconnect these elements to the compatible fields configured in your collection settings. For instance, link up the heading to the name field. Our final step to achieve this setup lies in aesthetically crafting the overall look for one single post preview. The beauty of Webflow lies in its automation. After you design the look for one post preview, this platform takes over and applies the same design automatically to all your blog posts. This means each of your posts maintains a uniform look with no additional effort on your part. With the final tweak in place, you are now ready to bring your blog to life on Webflow.